Everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am very excited to show all about orchids. Orchids are my favorite. So I am collecting since 2 years. Before that I never knew how to maintain a bouquet, but eventually I learned because it's so beautiful and it stays for so long time. These are one of the popular orchids, Phalaenopsis. So this looks like this, but there are different kinds of orchids. So here they are very popular, and as a gift they give this plant, and many of them doesn't know how to maintain this. So initially even I didn't know how to maintain this plant. So a couple of them I lost it because I didn't know how to water it, I didn't know what kind of roots they have, and so many things. So finally, after death of 2 plants, then I learned and I did a lot of research on this, how to maintain this plant. So now these are again 4 collected. So usually we give this as a gift and we also receive them as a gift. So first one, this one, I got this 2 years back. Then later I got this one. So this is blooming again 2nd year, and this already has some buds. These are going to open soon. And these are white ones. And this is the 1 month old, and these are the tiny one. This is the tiny one. I just love this base. So when I water it, I just take it out and again I place them into it. So basically these has aerial roots. These are aerial roots. So before, like in tropical region, these grow on the branches and the stems of the tree, but here the weather is not really suitable and we grow it indoor. So it doesn't need cold weather, but it does need something tropical. So more under the trees are the best weather, and it needs some moisture too. I usually place them under the on the windowsill, so where I get sunlight from the east, and the direct sunlight is not really good. It will dry up the plant, but little bit close to windows. Need lot of drainage here, like we have special pots for this where we have more drains. Even we can drain on the sides. So here the roots look very healthy. So I keep pot in the sink and just open the tap and keep it under the water for 20 seconds. So just you can count 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That. So there should not be any water at the crown. Just wipe it off. So this will decay, and any water, if it is stagnant, then even that decays the root. So we need to keep this fully totally drain water. Then you can put in your pot, whichever you like. Inside this we just put it and put on the windowsill. So we can clean the leaves like this. Do not clean under this because there is stomata which will have very, like, they are open and the respiration takes place through this stomata. So if you are cleaning this, then they get closed. So just clean on the top of the leaf. So this will keep the leaf nice and shiny. Always the bottom leaves gets yellow like this, so you can cut this off, and whichever roots are above, then these are going to be as it is. Do not put inside, and this doesn't grow in the soil medium. That's the reason they were on the trees. So there is a special mix where there is no water retention and the water is getting drained off. So it's mainly coir and moss mixed of some medium. So these ones, if they get older, then there is water retention that will soak the roots and that decays the roots. So that's the reason we need to change our growing medium at least once in 1.5 years, so that they keep nice and fresh. So clean it only on the top of the leaves. Do not clean under the leaves. So once these flowers finishes the bloom after 4 to 5 months, sometimes it takes even 4 to 5 months, they stay for a very long time. After this dries off and this falls, so we need to cut it here. So this will again regrow. So these are the ones where the flowers are still blooming. So next to this is the bud here. So if you're cutting 1 inch, just around the cutter just 1 inch above the bud, then here it regrows. And if this whole thing gets decayed, then just cut off at this point. Cut off at this point, then it encourages the growth. So if the plant is weak, do not encourage the growth of the flower. Just let the leaves become strong and healthy like this and let it grow. If flowers are growing, the leaves doesn't grow. So let the vegetative parts grow well. Then as I already told you, it likes moisture. So just I have added some pebbles or some stones and just add water to this and place your plant on this. So there is good moisture which is evaporating from the stones, and this gets nice enough moisture. So just water once in a week, or if it is a winter, it is cold, even 10 days is okay. So some people, they just put ice pieces for watering. Do not do that, because these plants don't like the cold ones. So ice is cold water, so it doesn't like cold. Just run under the tap. If it is little bit warmer, then that is much better. So water it once in a week or in 10 days, depending on your weather. If it is too hot outside, then once even 10 days or weekly is fine. And if it is too cold or winter outside, so if you really like this video, let me know in the comment box. Like, I want to change the soil for these ones. So when I change this, then I can make video for you guys to see, and you get mix outside in any nursery shops, especially Orchid Special. So there you need to buy it. And the nutrition for this is they do get ready-made nutrition. So once in 1 week, if it is half, then if it is full spoon or there is a measurement, then once in 15 days they your friends, and for full details look into the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and see you with next video. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching.